Assalamu alaikum students everyone. So today I'm going to start with the part 12 of the chapter number 2 of reproduction of lower and higher animals. So starting with the topic. So our topic is going to start with a topic that is called as what? Pregnancy. Pregnancy, it is the condition of carrying one or more embryos in the uterus. Carrying one or more embryos means the young ones in the uterus. It is also called as gestation. Pregnancy is also termed as gestation. Basically, gestation is a medical term for the pregnancy. Pregnancy is a common term, whereas gestation is a medical term. It refers to the period between fertilization of the egg up to parturition. So, pregnancy is what? It is a period between the fertilization of the egg, starting from the fertilization of the egg up to the parturition, means up to the delivery. Parturition means till the time of the delivery. Okay. Next point, the average period of pregnancy in human lasts for about 266 days from fertilization, or 280 for 280 days. Okay, counted from LMC, that is the full form is last menstruation cycle, counted from the first day, considering the first day of the menses, of the last menses, that is called as what? LMC. So counting from the LMC, the date of the last menstrual cycle of the female, the period is about of 266 days or 280 days from the date of the fertilization. Okay. Coming to the last point of the pregnancy, this pregnancy period of approximately 9 months is divided into 3 trimesters of 3 months each. So basically there are the whole pregnancy period, you all know very well, the whole pregnancy period is of 9 months. Okay, and these 9 months, they are divided into 3 trimesters, and each trimesters, they are considered of 3 months each. So on behalf of these distribution, it is called as first trimester. From first month to third month, it is considered as first trimester, and from fourth month to sixth month, it is considered as a second trimester, and from fifth to ninth month, it is considered as a third trimester. Okay, sorry, 6 to 9 months, it is considered as a third trimester. Now moving on to our next slide. Our next slide is of first trimester. So first trimester is of from fertilization to 12th week. Okay, they considered from the date of the fertilization from the last LMC to 12th week. First trimester is of first month, second month, and third month of pregnancy. So it is the time of most radical changes in the mother and embryo. Most radical changes in the mother and embryo means what? It means that all the different types of the chemical changes will take place in mother as well as in embryo. In this first trimester, the embryo receives the nutrients in the first 2 to 4 weeks directly from the endomerium. Directly from the endomerium means from the wall of the uterus. It is the main period of organogenesis and the development of the body organs. It is the main period of organogenesis and the development of the body organs. In this period only, in this first trimester only, the development of the body organs takes place. By the end of the 8 weeks, the major structures found in the adult. By the end of 8 weeks, the major structures found in the adult are formed in the embryo in a rudimentary form. Okay, the embryo is now called fetus. The embryo which is formed is now called as what? Fetus. This is also one of the medical term for the embryo which is formed in the first trimester after the formation of the adult formation in the rudimentary form. It is called as what? Fetus. It is about 3 centimeter long. Arms, hands, fingers, feet, toes are formed. Fetus can open and close the mouth and fist. Fetus can open and close the mouth and fist. Fist means the upper portion of the wrist. Then CNS, central nervous system, is fully formed. CNS is what? Central nervous system is fully formed. Means the brain part is fully formed. Working of excretory and circulatory system begins. They start the excretory system and the circulatory system. They start doing their work. Then movement of fetus begin, but mother cannot feel it. I am repeating it once more. The movement of fetus will begin, but mother cannot feel it. Heartbeat can be heard from 6th week. Heartbeat of the uterus, heartbeat of the fetus can be heard from the sixth week. Progesterone level becomes high. This is the progesterone level. Progesterone is one of the hormone which is also called as what? Pregnancy hormone. Progesterone level becomes high and menstrual cycle is suspended till the end of the pregnancy. What happens over here? The progesterone level, it means the pregnancy hormone, it will become high in their function and the menstrual cycle will stop until the end of the pregnancy. At the end of the first trimester, fetus is about 7 to 10 centimeter long. So this is the proper centimeter, about how much? 7 to 10 centimeter long fetus is formed in the first trimesters. It means that in the first, second and third month of the pregnancy. Meanwhile, the mother's body also undergoes the rapid changes. Along with so many changes in the baby in the uterus, the mother's body also undergoes the rapid changes. High levels of progesterone initiate the changes in her reproductive system. Okay, as you all know, the progesterone level is high at this period. So just because of the progesterone increase of the progesterone level, the changes in the mother's reproductive system takes place. The maternal part of the placenta grows. The uterus becomes larger. In this period, the mother experiences morning sickness. At this time, the mother experiences what? Morning sickness. It means that she will suffer from vomiting, mood swings, etc. So these are the things which what happens to the mother also, and in this trimester, these are the changes, the radical changes which occurs in the baby also. Here, from the given figure, you can see how the fetus looks like throughout the whole pregnancy. Okay, how it looked like in 20 days, after completing the 20 days, at 4 weeks, at 8 weeks and 12 weeks. We will learn a little bit about it at the 20th day. At the completion of the 20th day, towards your extreme left, you can see how the uterus or the fetus, sorry, I'm correcting my word. The fetus, it will look like you can see the above the head bud is look head how it looks, the head bud. Then you can see the next portion is the cardiac bulge. Cardiac bulge means the bulge which contains the heart inside it. Then this is the region where the heart develops. Cardiac bulge is the region where the heart develops. Cardiac means heart, and it's a bulge in shape, so it means just because of the developing of the heart, the bulging comes out. Then you can see the umbilical stalk also is also there. So this umbilical stalk is there for the umbilical cord. Through umbilical cord is there for the attachment of the baby, of the fetus with the mother with the help of the placenta. So placenta is the main organ to connect the baby with the mother with the help of the umbilical stalk or the umbilical cord. Coming to the fetus at 4 weeks. Under the fetus of the 4 week, whose length will be 7 mm long. Then in this figure you can see the developing eye. The eye also has been developed, and the arm is also getting developed at the 4th week. Coming to the 8 weeks. Till 8 weeks, the eyes are developing, the eyelids are closed. Eyes are still developing and the eyelids are closed. Then moving on, ear. The shape of the ear is now visible to some extent. Leg. The limbs are now quite well developed. The limbs are now quite well developed. Earlier it was not the case. Now moving on to the last week, that is the 12th week. Face, sorry, not the last week. I just want to correct my words. At the stage of the 12th week, how the fetus looks like. Here, the face, all the all the facial features are fully formed. All the facial features means eyes, nose, ears, lips, they are fully formed. Then coming to the arms. The fetus can now move its limbs. Arms is also properly grown up and now the fetus can now move its limbs. And plus the umbilical cord. The umbilical cord is also properly managed and covered. Okay, so this is all about this slide. Now we'll see the next slide, what's there in the next slide. Coming to the second trimester. Second trimester, it starts from 13 to 27, from 13 to 26th week. Okay, it is the period of rapid growth of fetus. It is the period of rapid growth of fetus. In this period, a fetus grows in a very rapidly. The uterus grows enough for the pregnancy to become obvious. The uterus will grow enough for the pregnancy so that it becomes obvious. It means it can be visible for everyone. The fetus is very active and grows to about 30 centimeter. Development of the brain begins. In this, what happens? Development of the brain begins. Hormone levels stabilize as SCG declines. As SCG declines. The corpus luteum deteriorates and the placenta completely takes over the production of progesterone, which maintains the pregnancy. Ultrasound, that is in the form of the sonography at the 18 to 20 weeks, shows baby's growth and position. From this, estimated due date of delivery can be established. From this, estimated due date of the delivery can be established. Baby's movement can be easily felt by the mother. Now, in second trimester, here at the time of the 18 to 20 weeks of pregnancy, baby's movement can be easily felt by the mother. Head has hair. The baby's head, the embryo's head has hair now. They have their eyebrows and eyelashes. Upper pinna are distinct. Upper pinna are distinct, matlab? It means the ears. The ears pinna, they are distinct. They can be seen in a very proper way, in a very prominent way. The baby reaches half the size of the newborn. The baby reaches half the size of a newborn. Now moving on to the last trimester, also known as final trimester, also called as the third trimester. This third trimester, it starts from 27th week till the parturition, till the delivery period. And in normal language, I would like to say it starts from the 7th, 8th, 9 months. Start from the 7th month, then under this 8th month also comes and it's end up at the 9th month. 9 month till the time of the parturition. The fetus grows to about 3 to 4 kg in weight. In this, at the time of the third trimester, in the final trimester, the fetus grows to about 3 to 4 kg in weight and 50 centimeters in length. How much? 50 centimeters in length. Eyes are open of the fetus. There is a gain in body weight. As the fetus grows, the uterus expands around it. The mother's abdominal organs become compressed and displaced, leading to frequent urination. I'm repeating it. The mother's abdominal organs become compressed due to the heavy and bulky weight of the uterus and displays, leading to frequent urination. Just because of this heavy and bulkiness of the stomach or the uterus, the mother has to go for frequent urination, for frequent urinating. They have to go for frequent urination. Then she also suffers from digestive blockages and strain in the back muscles, and a very strain, or you can say pain in the back muscles. At the end of the third trimester, the fetus becomes fully developed. At the end of the third trimester, the fetus becomes fully developed and ready for parturition. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you all. So now in the next lecture, I'm going to discuss all the remaining part of our chapter. Thank you so much.